The subject matter today is the word uništiti, to destroy, to annihilate, to demolish. For example, uništio sam auto. I totaled my car. More specifically, I totally demolished my car. And the question is, što je korijen of that word uništiti? What is the root? Well, as is so often the case, I think once you realise it, oh, it's so obvious. I've got to say it wasn't obvious to me, it just clicked fairly recently. The word comes from the word ništa, meaning nothing. So uništiti becomes, in the sense of destroy, demolish, to reduce or change to nothing. Remembering, of course, the prefix uništiti means to take it to nothing or into nothing. And the related words uništen, destroyed, demolished, as an adjective or past participle. I've got these underlines here simply because I'm not going to pretend that I'm a good pronouncer of words in the Croatian language. They're to remind me, to indicate to me where the emphasis is, the accent on the word. Uništen, destroyed, demolished. Uništenje, the annihilation, the destruction. Uništiv, destructible. There's the continuous form of that verb, uništavati, to be destroying, to be demolishing, to be exterminating. For example, uništavaju me ove cipele. These shoes are killing me. These shoes are destroying me. And related words, uništavanje, the annihilation of something or other. Uništavač, the exterminator. Similarly, we've got another word from the same korijen, poništiti, to set aside something, to annul something, to cancel it, to reverse it. Again, to bring it to nothing. Poništen, annulled, cancelled, and in fact we can see a literal translation here. Null meaning zero, annulled to bring to zero, poništen to bring to zero. Poništenje, the annulment of, the cancellation of. Poništavati, to be annulling, to be cancelling. This is the continuous forms of the verb. And poništavanje, the annulment of, the cancellation of. Pretty obvious when you know, isn't it? But I find it helps me, and I know other people who are learning the language. It helps them with their vocabulary to go back to think about what the korijen, what the root is.